Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming the problem and committing to change. First, log every listening episode for 7 days so you see patterns. Once done, pick one concrete goal, for example, reduce listening by 30 minutes per day and mark a start date. Make immediate changes to your environment, delete autoplay playlists, turn off music notifications, and enable app limits. These are the essential prerequisites and first actions that let you start interrupting the cycle right away. Now you replace the habit with structured alternatives. Create a daily schedule with 15 to 45-minute blocks for walking, reading, or chores, and link each to a cue, a time, place, or emotion so you respond automatically. When an urge appears, delay playback by 10 to 30 minutes. Once you succeed, extend the delay. Practice short mindfulness breaths when cravings come. This reduces reactivity and teaches you why the urge fades. Make sure to track progress and adjust the alternatives if they feel ineffective. To finish, stabilize gains and plan for setbacks. Each week, review progress, reward wins, and tighten limits where you still slip. If you relapse, don't shame yourself. Analyze the trigger, reset your plan, and reintroduce support from a friend or accountability buddy. If urges still impair work or relationships, consult a counselor. One key troubleshooting tip: when cravings spike, immediately switch to a preplanned 15-minute activity and text your buddy. That pause usually breaks the automatic replay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.